This is the Carel Soft Bonnet hair dryer with 4 temperature control settings. There's the cold, low, medium, and high. And I will show you how it works. There's the machine. There's your temperature settings. And there's the hose, and the plug and the bonnet are in here. You pull that to open. There's the bonnet. There's the cord. The opening for the cord. I'm gonna close that up. Plug this in. And the cord, you twist it to have it come out. And then you attach it to the bonnet. There's a little ring in there that you attach it to. And then you turn it on. Well, put it on your head, then you turn it on. Then we've got cool. And it's got a drawstring here for you to make it fit your head. And that is the Soft Bonnet hair dryer.